I go, look, you are the guy. You think about what you do every day. And you think about you're very humble and you think it's no big deal, but it really is. And you think about who's calling on you. Who's calling you every day? All these sales guys are calling him all the time. And he's on the customer advisory board for some big companies. And I said, you have knowledge. Go get on LinkedIn. Expand your profile on LinkedIn and start putting up posts. 3 things to know before you go buy a jet. 3 things I wish I'd learned before, I did this, and take it as an industry expert because you are the industry expert. So always be curious, but start putting yourself out there and become the guy.
Yeah.
It's not very hard. People want to learn from you too.
Yeah, you want to be the go-to guy, that's for sure.